The new EWheels EW-29 Electric Trike is the perfect way to get around town when you want to get in a little exercise, a lot of exercise, or none at all. With just a flick of a switch, you can go from pedaling to cruising around with 100% electric power by just twisting the hand throttle. The EW-29 is a well-balanced trike that can easily reach top speeds of 15 miles per hour and can travel up to 20 miles on a single charge. The comfortable EW-29 features a low step-thru steel frame for easy riding and an oversized seat with a backrest for additional comfort. Other features include an LED front electric light, electric horn, battery indicator, and a forward-reverse switch to handle any situation with ease. One of the best features of the EW-29 electric trike are the extra-large storage baskets at the front and rear that are perfect for a trip to the grocery store or for taking your furry friend along for a ride around town. And if all of this wasn't enough, EWheels scooters come with a 3-year warranty and are shipped directly to you, fully assembled and ride-ready. Just charge it up and off you go. The EW-29 Electric Trike is yet another innovative product from EWheels that will not only get you around town, but it won't break the bank. This is one stylish trike that's guaranteed to turn heads. So if you're looking for a super functional electric trike that does it all, look no further than the EWheels EW-29. Order yours today.